Side plank with our leg lift. So you're gonna start with your knees stacked. You're gonna press up here and extend one leg long. So I have my one nice long line here and my shoulder is directly over my elbow, making sure that this is not put out kind of on an angle like a kickstand. That's not gonna be helpful for your shoulder. You wanna be right down in one long line. From here, you're gonna exhale as you lift that top leg to challenge our lower half, as well as to activate that glute on the top side, and then slowly lower down. Be thoughtful that as you lift, the rest of your body stays in that same position that it was when you started, so there's no rotating or twisting in the process. So dynamic lateral lunge, you're gonna inhale here, exhale, sit back, inhale there, exhale, press up to return. So again, exhale, inhale, exhale to power back up. So squat to overhead press, you're gonna sit back into your squat, exhale as you stand tall, bicep curl to overhead press, lower back down, lower the arms to your side, lower into your squat, exhale to perform one fluid movement all the way throughout. Lunge with the weight on the opposite side. You're gonna inhale as you lower, exhale to drive back up tall. Step up with your bicep curl. You're gonna step up, drive through your heel, come up, bicep curl at the top, lengthen down, return back down to standing.